What's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be comparing the Samsung Galaxy Buds to the AKG wired earphones that come in the box with the Samsung Galaxy S10. Now, of course, this is all going to be based off of my own opinions and experience that I've had with both earbuds, and I've also already done a full review on the Samsung Galaxy Buds, and I will have that link down in the description below in case y'all would like to go and check it out. But let's go ahead and get this comparison started. Okay, so let's start off with looks. As you can see, they both have this nice two-tone color combination here with the white and gray, although the wired earphones seem to be a bit more on the silver side. But the Galaxy Buds also come in two other different colors, black and yellow. Now, one of the main big differences here, of course, is the wires. The Galaxy Buds have none and the AKGs do, but the wire doesn't feel cheap at all. It's got a nice braided look and feel to it that also help keep it from getting tangled up. Now, another noticeable difference is the size. The AKG wired earphones are a lot smaller than the Galaxy Buds, which makes putting them in your ears a lot easier. With the Galaxy Buds, you do kind of have to give them a twist to get them in just right, but once in, they are not coming out. Even though being bigger, they actually feel a lot more secure than the wired earphones because of the wingtips they have. And no matter how much I move and shake my head, I can't seem to get them to fall out. Now, both are going to have their pros and cons when it comes to convenience, like the battery. The Galaxy Buds have batteries you need to keep charged in order for them to work, and the AKG wired earphones don't. You simply plug them in and you're ready to go. No need to worry about if they're charged or not. Although when it does come to charging the Galaxy Buds, Samsung has made it very easy. The nice small carrying case they come in charges the buds for you as soon as you set them in it, and once the case needs charging, you can simply throw it on a wireless charger or use the Power Serve feature with your Galaxy S10 or charge it via USB Type-C. But honestly, with the wired earphones, I like not having to worry about if I need to charge them or not. Now, one thing that the Galaxy Buds do have over the AKGs is simply that they are truly wireless. They are easy to carry around in your pocket, especially with the nice little case they come in, and they are great for exercising with no wires getting in the way at all. With the AKG wired earphones, sometimes it can just be a pain to have to roll up the wire and shove them in your pocket, especially since they come with no carrying case. All right, now let's talk about sound, because that is pretty much the main thing you look for when trying to find the right earbuds. You want something that is going to sound great and have good call quality as well when making phone calls. Now, when making calls on either one, I found the wired earbuds to have better quality on the other person's end, and I'm sure that's because the mic is a lot closer to your mouth. Now, don't get me wrong, the call quality isn't bad on the Galaxy Buds. I just found it to be somewhat better on the AKG wired earbuds. Now, when listening to music, I gotta be honest, I did have a tough time trying to figure out which ones I liked better because they both sound great. And I have never been a wireless earbud type of guy either. I always loved using wired earphones because of the sound quality was always better. And that's why I always loved that Samsung never let go of the headphone jack. But Samsung did something great with the Galaxy Buds that gave me a change of heart. Sound quality is great, crisp and clear, and doesn't disappoint at all. And I also do not even notice any lag when watching videos. Now, when I would compare the two, having one in each ear at the same time, the wired earbuds sounded a bit louder than the wireless Galaxy Bud, but when I would put on both Galaxy Buds, they actually sounded louder than when I had on both wired earbuds. Now, I think that is because they do a lot of a better job of canceling out the outside noise, which makes them seem louder. They also give a bit more bass and can give even more bass if you customize the sound settings in the Galaxy Wear app. And that is one other thing I like the Galaxy Buds over the wired earbuds, is that you can simply click on the app to customize the sound settings. With the wired earbuds, you actually have to go into the settings, then the sound settings, and yeah, it's just a longer process. Now, if I had to pick between the two, and I mean if I had to, because I love them both and they both sound great, I would go with the Galaxy Buds simply because of convenience. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm still going to be using both, When I'm at home, I'll still be using my wired AKG earbuds, but when I'm out and about, the Galaxy Buds are definitely the ones that are coming with me because they are just a lot easier to carry around. But I would love to know your thoughts. Leave them down below. What did you think of this comparison between the two, and which ones would you pick for yourself? Don't forget to leave a huge thumbs up on this video if you did like it and find it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come. Thank you all so much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.